holidays are here, and if you love wine, this is your season. From cozy nights in to festive gatherings, I'm sharing the top holiday wine activities that every wine lover should try. Holiday blind tasting. Turn your living room into a wine tasting playground. Cover the labels, hand out scorecards, and let your friends guess the wines. It's fun, interactive, and perfect for family gatherings or wine collector meetups. Spice things up with a DIY mulled wine station or holiday cocktail bar. Provide wine, spices, fruits, and mixers, and let guests create their signature drinks. Pro tip: a small wine fridge or beverage center keeps everything chilled and ready to serve. Wine and Cheese Advent Calendar. Make December extra festive with a wine and cheese countdown calendar. Sparkling wine with brie, bold reds with Gouda, a daily pairing that keeps things fun and delicious. Bring out your guests' competitive spirit with a holiday wine cocktail contest. Red Sangria Twist, sparkling cranberry spritz. Let everyone mix, shake, and vote for the best drink. It's interactive, lively, and perfect for family gatherings or office parties. Cozy wine nights and Vinotherapy. Wine and unwind. Soak in a bubble bath, sip a glass of red, or try a wine spa treatment or wine and yoga session. Perfect for those who want a calm, indulgent holiday experience. Wine Book Club. Choose a wine-themed book. Pair a bottle that matches the storyline and host a holiday wine book club night. Sip, read, chat. It's intimate, relaxing, and a hit for smaller gatherings. Make your holidays fun, festive, and unforgettable. Upgrade your setup with wine fridges, cooling units, and wine racks at winecellarhq.com. For all 12 holiday wine activities, check the full guide linked below. Cheers to wine, fun, and memories.